The geographical zone of the Beaune appellation is limited to the town of Beaune, which is the main town of the Côte de Beaune. Before we start, let's note there is a second appellation village in this area. It's the appellation Côte de Beaune, and it is located up to the slope, overlooking the Beaune AOC, and on the north part of the vineyard, north of the valley, which is going to Bligny-sur-Rouge. The vines of the appellation Beaune are located on the slope and on the foothill as far as the limit of the town. Even so, you can see some small vineyards included right in the city. The topography of the appellation is quite complex. The main orientation will be east and southeast. The vineyard is divided in two parts by a large dry valley which cut deep into the plateau. In the south part, small valleys that we call combes shape the landscape and create a series of small hills. Their altitude seems to decrease when we look south towards Pommard. The cool oceanic climate with the continental influence and the general exposure east-southeast are very well suited to the Pinot Noir and Chardonnay grapes. Let's talk about geology. The front of the hillside is made of limestone dating back from the Middle Jurassic period, where the bottom part is made of less gravelly and clay deposit. Now let's go to detail. Let's start with the first level of platy limestone, which are at the bottom of the slope, dating back from the Caluvian period, Middle Jurassic. We can see on that level some old quarries, like some in Les Terrons or even in La Fégine. This is topped by a series of Oxfordian limestone for the Upper Jurassic period. It is situated in the middle and in the upper part of the slope. It ends with a compact limestone ledge, which is frequently wooded. The soils are thin with a good drainage. At the top of the slope, they are poor with lots of limestones and pebbles, and at the bottom they become richer in clay. They are quite deep at the foothill, about 50 centimeters. Here, on the side of the valley, due to the erosion, the thickness and the nature of the soil can be very diverse. The climat of the Beaune appellation Premier Cru are located on limestone slope, on shallow and well-drained soil. They benefit of the best exposure. Like I said before, the vineyard is split into two parts by the valley going to Bligny-sur-Rouge. The north part starts here with Les Marconnais and Clos du Roi on the north, of course, and carry on to Clos de la Fégine and Les Terrons in the south, for example. The soils here are very rich in limestone, and a good way to understand it, if you look au Cras or Les Grèves, the meaning of those two climats illustrate the type of soil. Cras, the origin of Cras is like craie, it means limestone. Les Grèves is the same origin than gravel. So you can understand the stones here are everywhere. The wines of this area are elegant and show a great finesse. Here at the bottom of the slope, the soils are deeper and more sandy. The wines were still delicate, but they show lots of fruit and are very pleasant as young wines. The second part starts here with Les Champimons, Les Reversés, and we're going south, just on the limit of Pommard, with Le Clos des Mouches or Les Épenottes, for example. The presence of the small valley explains the complexity of the topography of this area. The exposure plays a key role. And for example, if you look at the Monte Rouge here, the vines are facing east or even northeast. Exactly the same with Les Aigreaux. But if you go the other side of the Combe, the small valley, the exposure will be south, southwest, so very different. And this explains also the characteristic of the wines coming from this area. You can understand that with the exposure facing northeast or even a bit more north, the wine will show some austerity as a young wine. At the bottom of the slope, the soils are getting deeper. They are brown soil with a little touch of red in it, which explains the presence of iron oxides. The wines from this area are very well balanced, fruity, and full body wines too, and they show a nice sophistication. Most of those climates are producing red wines, but they can also produce white wines. And the best whites are produced on the top of the slope, on the upper part, where the soils are rich in limestone and marls. So when you see those beautiful landscapes and you taste those remarkable wines, you don't understand why the Beaune appellation is not more well known. Those wines are nothing to envy to their prestigious neighbors.